that camera everywhere you go, dog.
What's up, bud? Yeah, what's up, dog? Yeah, man, what's going on? What's up, bro? Yeah, on this side of town, ain't it, right? What's up, bro? I know it.
Don't get y'all to race, but ain't gonna be no break. Come on, Nick. It's not the same fucking bike home.
No, he changed the handlebar, Chris.
Okay.
Come on, Chris.
Y'all ain't changed handlebar.
Change the handlebar, Chris.
Don't take y'all handlebars on, man.
Chris, he changed the handlebar.
Well, y'all tough.
The handlebar, Chris.
We don't want to see that motherfucker. We just want y'all
Change the agreement. Fuck all that shit.
to hold it fuck.
And it's still say,
How long we been racing y'all? We did motherfuckers.
Yeah, same bike.
Same bike.
Why y'all didn't see me that picture then?
y'all say y'all was having just like that.
That's what y'all sent me. That's what y'all sent me.
This right here what y'all gonna get today.
Yeah, well, what you gonna do for us today?
You ain't no way you thought you could beat that motherfucker with the plastic on it.
You right. The break we did. The break we did. That's what you really came down for.
Line up.
I'm ready to go.
Y'all gonna pay Punk out of phone.
Who I locked in with? The break we did.
But that's
Who y'all sent y'all money
The
to?
break we did.
Who y'all sent y'all money to?
The break we did. Y'all think I got some dope, man. I've been doing this shit too long.
Man, that's how y'all feel, bro.
I know it, but the break ain't gonna get today.
I ain't know. Oh, well.
Thought y'all had some.
Oh, man, y'all sell some damn ducks.
Squeeze it in real quick.
Place.
Ran outside of it, but I ain't it though.
Y'all made y'all sell some ducks.
Come on, man.
Want to race this motherfucker in the first
No,
place?
they ain't.
Okay, so y'all seen the picture, y'all want to race. That's my question. Y'all seen the picture, want to race. Hold up. Y'all seen the picture, want to race. Y'all seen the bike race before. That's the question.
Listen.
So y'all went off a picture, bro?
Can I talk?
The fuck who go off a picture, though? That's stupid as fuck.
Hold on, can I talk? Y'all clearly called me the fuck out. Exactly. I said 4x4. He got up in there and said, we out trying to route. We ain't picking. I said, make it right. He said, the backside. I said, what bike? He said, that bitch. It's the bike. What the fuck it ain't, man?
This ain't it.
I know it ain't. Y'all gotta be the crazy. I'm gonna tell you what, man.
I got one when your heads up with. We got to just like you. What you want to do?
Y'all gonna do that anyway. Y'all gonna do that anyway.
Where's that?
Who you want to race with?
Just like you.
Where's that?
I don't give a fuck the handlebar change.
He gonna get it. Long as he start whipping, he'll race.
That's all I ask.
Long as he start whipping, he'll race.
I said, what bike I'm running? Y'all see me there.
They say, under the comments, that Active 7 gonna be sitting just like this when I pull up.
Handlebars ain't got shit to do with no phone. Bro, I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about, bro.
When I talked to you, I asked you how did the bike sit. You some of the picture, they say it's an old picture. I don't know.
Right.
I told you I asked you how the bike sit. If you had a son then, I would have told you, look, bro, I can't beat that bike.
I got you. But it's the same.
I ain't down, but he ain't outside in that picture though. You know what I'm
Ain't
saying?
nothing but a Mr. Plastic. He just missed the front plastic.
I didn't see that drag plate on that bike.
Oh, it was on there. It's been on there.
What the fuck?
Who said it was? No, wait. Hold up. Ain't nobody saying nothing about the big three.
I'm just letting him know.
No, ain't nobody saying nothing about the big three. The bike been the same. He like he said, the handlebar
Man,
same.
this
That's
ain't
it.
handlebar. Ain't got shit to do with nobody bike, bro.
Y'all just said the handlebar was already on the bike.
Nigga, you got a picture. No, the fuck. We said this the same bike. Y'all said somebody handlebar, nigga.
I know. I'm gonna tell you what it was.
They think it's a different bike.
He done told them country boys gonna bet all that money. Them country boys gonna bet all that money. They thought they had a duck.
Go get it.
Been like this since we been racing. Them niggas over there, my governor.
Hey, he said he got one. Tell him go get it. Yeah. He said start wheelbase, go get it.
I love country, bro.
Yeah, that's why I told him he said he got to start wheelbase, go get it. The bike ain't no different. I don't know what they thought. That's why we should have locked in, bro. We should have locked in, bro. That's what I'm saying. The bike the same. It just ain't got the plastic on it. It's the same bike, bro. The bike ain't changed. I swear to God.
Let's make it right though.
What's making it right?
What's making it right though? We already made it right. We traveled 3 hours, and y'all got the what's the name? What else y'all want?
Y'all got the brake.
Damn.
It ain't the same bike.
Nigga, how the fuck it ain't the same bike cause of cover?
Handlebar.
A handlebar, y'all niggas bad, bro.
Just say the handlebar. The drag pipe been on there. You say the handlebar.
This nigga just talking, bro. I'm about to come outside.
Look what you got. Look what I got. Make it make sense. No. Make it make sense.
We was out here that night. That bad man boom. Hey, look. You already know what time it is.
I ain't in your face. You know I agreed to that picture y'all sent me. I agreed to that picture y'all sent me. That's what I agreed to. Go talk to your people. All this shit. That reverse psychology shit. Instead of walking all, instead of if you didn't want to rape me, you would have been in that truck gone. So, 2 in the break. As I said 10 minutes ago.
Put the camera on.
TDP, tell him, man. What?
Fuck all that. We ain't coming out here, bro.
No, I asked.
And I said, yeah. 1500.
25, 3,000.
25, 3,000. You get it.
Y'all got that confidence just that quick.
You got that plan? 25 or 3. Not no 15. 25 or 3. You got 30 niggas with you. You got 30 niggas with you, man.
You know what I'm saying? I say all this shit.
Hey.
Fuck around and drive the truck for you. You better have your ass that truck before I make it back. We ain't never hit the truck. Ain't nobody around. Two.
lost your damn mind.
Off that fucking money. Nigga, that's how we beat your ass. Same shit we got. No, that's all. Listen. Line back up.
I got a 4x4 home. I know that. Y'all, I got a 4x4.
Yeah.
Find me M. Motherfucker 4x4 out here. Good shit.
Good shit, man. Good shit.
Y'all already do that. Y'all already. I got the motherfucking news.
Hey, you walk out. I ain't good sport.
That's it. Man's taking enough of a beating.